Do you want to know how you can log into your Dallas ISD Payroll account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Dallas ISD Payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC. Go to the Google search bar to search for Dallas ISD Payroll Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen and it will take you to this page of Dallas Independent School District. You can see Account over here. Click on Account and click on Sign In. Clicking on Sign In, you will be taken to the official login portal of Dallas ISD. You can see that this login portal is loading up, and you can write down your username or password in this box over here. So go ahead and write down your username in this box and then click Go. You can see this password option over here. What you need to do next is write down your password associated with your account in Dallas ISD. And the next step is to check your password by clicking on this eye icon. And the final step is to click Go, and this way you can successfully log into your Dallas Independent School District payroll account. If you need any type of help about your password or some issues like that, this is the link for you. If you want to start over, go ahead and click Start Over and click OK again. You can also sign in with your QR code, so you can access your QR code and scan the QR code from your phone, and then you can log into your Dallas ISD payroll account as well. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.